Last lesson for Science 14, Unit D, Section 15.2, Producing More Energy. As our population increases and our standard of living increases, so does our demand for energy. We demand energy for fuel, for transportation, for electricity, for everything from lights to computers to transportation for that matter, and also fuel for heating. Here in Alberta, most of the energy we use is produced from fossil fuels, coal, oil, and gas being the main ones. Fossil fuels are formed from the remains of organisms that lived a long time ago, so that's sort of why we refer to them as fossils. So starting approximately 300 million years ago, swamps slowly filled in with decaying plants and animals. As more sediment covered this decaying matter, it was partially decomposed, and the heavy sediment compressed the organic material, slowly changed into coal, crude oil, and or natural gas. Carbon dioxide in climate. Historically, the carbon dioxide produced by cellular respiration was approximately equal to the amount used in photosynthesis. And so we didn't see a significant change in atmospheric carbon dioxide. Now, normally carbon dioxide and other gases such as methane, known as greenhouse gases, they trap heat to make the Earth habitable. We call that the greenhouse effect. So it's like a greenhouse, the glass sides of it trapping the heat. Carbon dioxide and methane and other greenhouse gases work that way, or work like the glass panels in a greenhouse. And so that's why we call carbon dioxide a greenhouse gas. Our burning of fossil fuels has released excess carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, and excess greenhouse gases as a result of human activities have started the process of global climate change, which has serious consequences such as polar ice melting, which affects habitat, sea level, etc., which often here in Alberta we don't worry as much about sea level rise, but it's an issue many other places. Changes to weather patterns and systems, which is a concern here. Zone creep is another thing known that we're talking about here. Basically, the biomes, southern biomes kind of creeping north, northern biomes decreasing, deserts growing, those sorts of things. And also other issues that are related to this, sociological issues as a result of this, might lead to wars or land disputes, those sorts of things. But anyway, there's lots more to learn about that and a lot more to learn about science, but that's all we need for Science 14.